So I'm showing how to do a salad dressing because there's so many store-bought salad dressings, and then like ranch. My kids love this stuff, but I also have a ranch salad dressing that I make. But usually we'll just use those for the kids. But just so you know, like per serving, which is just 2 tablespoons, is 120 calories, 13 grams of fat. So it's really, really high. And in this salad dressing that I'm going to show you, it's only 87 calories per serving and 3 grams of fat. Okay, so it's a lot less. So you can use more. Hey, Vicki, I know you make this one. You can use more, and you know what? It's so delicious. So the first thing you want to do is this one you're going to blend up. So I just do a little blender. This is going to serve me 4 servings, so I'll be able to use this all week. And we're going to use whole garlic, and my best friend got me this like garlic thing remover, and it actually works really well. Hold on, I didn't do it enough, but I wanted to show you because I'm so excited about this thing. I'm so happy that she did that for me. So see, you got 3 or 4 garlic cloves. I'm gonna do 3. I already have 1 in there. And then I'm gonna do a half a cup of water, right? So we got water, and all of my dressings that I make have 0 oil in them because oil just adds unnecessary fat without the fiber. So we're getting lots of fiber in these. So this is your sweetener, which is raisins. So it's a 1/4 cup of raisins. My sister-in-law, she hates raisins, right? But whenever I make this dressing, she loves it because she's just like, I can't believe I like it because there's raisins in it. But we're gonna blend it up. Then a 1/4 cup of whole almonds, and just make sure that your almonds are not salted and they're not roasted or have oil on them. You just want them raw. And then what? 1/4 cup, a 1/3 cup of balsamic vinegar. So a 1/3 cup of that. Here we go. I probably just almost done with this. So I wonder if I just use it all. I'm probably gonna use it all. Yep. Perfect. Look at that. That is perfect. That's when you know like things are made, or like things are, you know, it's fate. So I just used all of that. Yay. And then we're gonna put some seasoning in it. So basil. So like basil is gonna be a half a teaspoon. I just kind of go in there and just do what I want. And then oregano, 1 teaspoon. So I'm actually gonna just use all of it. Anybody have any questions, let me know. And then onion powder, another half a teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm just gonna, whoop, that's probably good. Okay, then we get to blend it, and then you get your dressing for the week. So here we go. Whoop. And so what I usually do is just taste it to make sure that, like if it's too strong of a flavor, then you can add more water. And that is very good. So that's all I need. And sometimes I'll just leave it in this, or I'll put it on in a mason jar, or I have some dressing containers. The great thing about this is that it has nuts in it, and so that you don't have to put your nuts on your salad. You just get your nuts through your dressing. So that is how easy it is to make a dressing at home. This is one of my faves. Let me know if you have any questions.